Alright, back again. So in this tutorial, we will resume from previous tutorial where these meters wouldn't show up. So to do this, we will simply set the scale to 1, 1, 1, and second would be similarly to 1, 1 and 1. And then we will inside canvas, we will create an empty game object name in game canvas, and there we will create an empty game object name health bar, and then we will move these two meters that we copied where their values would be to whatever you want to, so that, but the thing is that for the health bar we want health bar to be shown at this part of screen, so no matter if the device is like this or like this, it will always start from painting from this side for this element only. So to do this, simply we just set the parent to free stretch, and in the health bar we went on set the anchor from this pivot point, this one, where the pivot is at the right side, and then these objects were placed, and then we will simply turn it off like this. In game canvas would be turned off by default, and then when the tab to start button is pressed, we will simply make another plus component, and here we will give the reference of in-game canvas, and we will turn the object to on. So now when I play the game, in-game canvas with the meter of health should be like this. So this is our game, and when I press tab to start, this is our bar that shows up like this. And this is something again, we can turn the bar bit up if it's a problem, but again it's all depending upon your needs. So we won't play this further, or and so if I press play again to show where the bar shows up, this is where the bar show up, and when the children when the enemy collides, we can make a function to reduce this bar size. So this is for this tutorial. We will save it, and in the next tutorial we can see how we can put a health bar, which we just did. And now this step is when enemy collides, it will take certain health along with it. So we will do this in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.